AAP leader and former Delhi Chief Minister Atishi slammed the ruling BJP over the sexual assault of a 9-year-old in Delhi's Dayalpur, saying that the incident has put Delhi and the whole nation to shame. Atishi has penned an open letter to Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta as well as Union Home Minister Amit Shah questioning the law and order situation. She also urged strict police action at the earliest, saying, "I demand that this case be investigated quickly and fairly. The culprits be given severe punishment and immediate steps to be taken to ensure the safety of women and girls in Delhi." We have with us my colleague Arzu Seth joining us on the telecast. Arzu, what exactly does this letter entail in terms of this open letter that is being written by Atishi?
Opposition, Atishi has written a strong letter to Chief Minister Rekha Gupta demanding accountability over the deteriorating law and order situation in Delhi following the rape and murder of a 9-year-old girl in Nehru Vihar. Also, Atishi expressed deep anguish and urgency, highlighting the brutality of the crime that has shaken not only just Delhi but the entire country. The incident where the child's body was found in a suitcase with visible sign of sexual assault and injuries underscores a serious lapse in women's and child safety under the current government. Atishi says in a letter that the Delhi, the national capital, has once again become a place where a young girl's screams go unheard, and also she criticizes the government's failure to create a safe environment under the BJP-led administration, calling it a failure of so-called four-engine government. The letter draws a chilling parallel with the 212 Nirbhaya case, stating that despite more than a decade since that tragedy, the situation remains dire for girls in Delhi. In fact, Atishi questioned the silence of the woman chief minister on this issue. There were demands that were raised in the letter, and she demands a fast and impartial investigation. She also calls for the strict punishment for the accused. Immediate steps for women and child safety in Delhi must be taken, and she also stresses that this is not the time for excuse but the accountability and the action. So these are the demands that are being raised by leader of the opposition in Delhi, Atishi, in the letter which she wrote to Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, asking for the accountability and also to take this step regarding the women's safety in Delhi.
All right, Arzu.